Hi friends, today we all are hearing about global warming and climate change. Some of us are seriously concerned about this matter, but many of us are not even aware of it. So, I'm going to tell you a story. This is a story of a scientist where she time travels in future and witnesses the after effects of her actions which lead to global warming.
Our story starts in our old mansion's lab, where our scientist Paridhi has made a time machine which can time travel in future.
Hi Riya, do you know I am making a time machine to travel the future? So let me check if it's working or not. I will try. I will talk to you later.
She's just about to test her time machine. Professor Paridhi has just traveled in time. She does not know which year, place or time it is.
Technology is highly advanced. Cars are flying, but people are carrying oxygen cylinders. Young people are looking old. There are no trees. People are dying.
Yay! Yippee! Yay! Yippee! Woo! Oh my God! Where I am? Oh my God! Where I am? Hey! Anybody's here? Help me! Hey! Anybody's here? Help me! Hi! Do you know where I am and what is the year? This is 2050. Hey! Who are you? I haven't seen you before. I have came from 2021. Can you tell me why there is no plants, no trees, and cars are flying? People are using oxygen cylinder. What can I tell you? This all has happened due to global warming. Global warming is the Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period. Due to human activities, primary fossil fuel burning, which increases heat trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. After the end of 2030, there is so much rise in temperature and hardly any rainfall. This is the reason why there are no trees left now. Buy a time machine. Okay. Hi Riya, do you know I went to 2050? Yeah, and there were no trees, no plants, and there was very much hot there, and the cars were flying. Okay, bye.
There are no trees, less oxygen, heaps of pollution, climate change and global warming has caused devastation of our dear Mother Earth. Let us understand these terms deeply by our friends.
As we all saw here, Paridhi unknowingly traveled to the future and saw how ruined it was. If we don't preserve and save it, an upcoming generation will only have to face it. So please take some actions.
Yes, and the cause for all these problems is climate change. Climate change includes both global warming driven by human-induced emissions of greenhouse gases and the resulting large-scale shifts in weather patterns.
Yes, global warming and greenhouse gases affects climate the most. Though there have been previous periods of climate change, since the mid-20th century humans have had an unprecedented impact on Earth's climate system and caused climate change on a global scale.
Gia, did you know that the largest driver of warming or global warming is the emission of gases that create a greenhouse effect, of which more than 90% is carbon dioxide, CO2 and methane. Contributions from agriculture, deforestation and manufacturing with additional burning of fossil fuels like coal, natural gas and oil for energy consumption are the main sources for these emissions.
Oh, that's why it is said no to cutting of trees and wastage of pesticides. And Ashi, did you know the temperature rise, loss of sunlight, reflecting snow and ice cover, increased water vapor and changes to land and ocean carbon sinks are accelerated or tempered by climate feedbacks. Temperature rise on land is about twice global average increase, leading to desert expansion and more common heat waves and wildfires. Ashi, could you please explain with some more effects of climate change?
Oh, I really didn't know of these effects, but I would like to tell more such. As we all know that humans and animals are facing new challenges due to climate change, which are affecting our lifestyles, habitat, etc. The frequent and intense drought, rising sea levels, storms, heat waves, melting glaciers, and warming oceans can destroy the habitat of animals and harm them and wreak havoc on people's livelihoods and communities. As I know, in US, the climate change is becoming worse. Dangerous weather events are becoming more severe and frequent. People in cities and towns of US are facing the consequences from heat waves and wildfires to coastal storms and flooding.
That is really very sad, but I just wish and hope that we all humans understand the real meaning of climate change and try to fight with it.
So to prevent this huge climate change, not only you and me can do everything, but we can contribute, and small steps multiplied by thousands of people can transform the world. So you have to be the change and then encourage others. So you have to stand by to prevent this huge climate change. And some easy steps can be performed at home are consumption of less electricity. We can plant as much as we can choose products and food which costs less water wastage. Conserve water. Buy electric products by checking its EER rating. Higher the stars, lower the electric wastage. Pull the plugs. Power home with renewable energy. Rethink planes, trains and automobiles. You can also make your workplace near natural light or sunlight so that there is no much consumption of electricity. Try to clean your HVAC filters because it makes the system work more harder and consumes more electricity.